Kung may gusto kong gawin, huwag ka na magdalawang isip. Gawin mo na bago mahuli ang lahat. Kasi dati, lagi akong stuck kasi parang ang dami kong gusto kong gawin for this song. Tas dahil doon, mas nawawala ka dun sa project, and because of that, parang mawawalan ka ng gana. Pero now, parang mas motivated ako to finish, especially at this age, na parang I feel like may gusto rin naman din akong i-share na stuff to my fellow adults, entretimes, whatever you call it. But yeah, as you grow old, it feels like you want to put out something. Well, I mean, for fellow creatives na nasa 30s and up, parang usually because of your mortality, parang mas namomotivate ka to put out yourself further, especially if you feel like there's something that you'd like to share to the world. Yeah. Minsan iniisip mo parang if you're reaching like near your 40s or when you're getting older, it feels like time is ticking. And yun, parang if hindi ko na gawin to now, kailan pa kaya? So andun yung pagka-panic, but at the same time, parang it's also a good type of motivation.
Yeah.
Para ma-pressure ka to, like, just put yourself out there, embrace whatever cringe you have, and like, just express yourself. As corny as it may sound. Pero yun talaga siya eh. And want new listeners like you or like anyone else to feel like it's never too late to start over, to start something new, try something new. And also like, yeah, try new things. It's never too late, especially if you feel a strong inclination to try something new. Hindi tayo bumabata. So, kung gusto mo, gawin mo na. Huwag ka na magdalawang isip. Gawin mo na bago mahuli ang lahat.